One-click inspire quotes. Mandela's Unity Tapestry at one-click inspire quotes. Nelson Mandela once said, "It is in your hands to create a better world for all who live in it." Let us embrace the diversity that surrounds us, for in unity, we find strength. Mandela believed, our human compassion binds us one to the other, not in pity or patronizingly, but as human beings who have learnt how to turn our common suffering into hope for the future. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, Mandela wisely asserted. Let us foster an environment where diverse voices are heard, and education becomes a bridge that connects us all. Mandela confronted prejudice with these words, "No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin, or his background, or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love." He envisioned a world where bridges are built, not walls. If you want to make peace with your enemy, you have to work with your enemy. Then he becomes your partner, Mandela wisely remarked. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it, Mandela shared. Let us find the courage to confront injustice and discrimination wherever it exists. A critical, independent, and investigative press is the lifeblood of any democracy, Mandela believed. As we embrace diversity, let us also recognize the role of a free press in fostering understanding and unity. To be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others, Mandela reflected. Let empathy and compassion guide our actions. I dream of an Africa which is in peace with itself, Mandela envisioned. Let us dream of a world where equality is not just an aspiration but a reality for every individual, regardless of their background. In closing, let Mandela's concept of Ubuntu linger in our hearts. I am because we are. Embracing diversity is not just a choice, it is a collective responsibility that defines the essence of our shared humanity. Thank you.
Subscribe, like, share, and comment.
One-click inspire quotes.